Okay, I'm going to do this a little more rapid fire. We've got 56 miniature small chokes, still got 33. We have 9.5 and we've incorporated the fuse. Tested the fuse, I got it to trip once. It's like, yeah, a few degrees less might be good. Okay, so let's see where the tests go. This one here, I got the best numbers. I got a 1.2 out of this on the initial build, but right now, I don't think I have any thermals going on, so yeah, right now we're 1.3. Still, we added a turn to the coil. Be right back. Oops. This, see. Boom. So, we went from 70 to about 67. Not a huge difference, right? Click. Thermals. I pushed the hell out of this just to see if I can get this thing to trip. This cap can get hot. So far I have not got it hotter past being able to touch it, but this configuration is the 1.3 reflective, and that's what's setting it so far. I tried the 47 already, and I got 1.8 amps right off the bat. So this guy here is telling a lot about what it's doing with this guy here. It tells me I also want to test the 15 gauge. It should fall right in between. I don't know exactly what else to think. These guys here will also get warm with the long term on this configuration. And that's because they're lower current devices, obviously, but again, not dangerously hot, so I need to look at the specs of the parts to know that. Be right back. Okay, large choke, 33. An idle of 133 still. I'm just happy at that. And we've clicked, so let's see what it takes. Still 67 watts, and I'm looking at watts, but I'm not looking at voltage versus current, which does make a difference, especially in the regime we're looking at, so I will be looking at those later. Next one sec. Okay, now we're to 39. Same old number, of course. See what this is. It's 6 to 7 seconds. How about that? What's our target? 6 to 8 seconds. We're doing good. Yes, still a little higher than I want because this is the 2020 cap. But the numbers are coming out consistent. I'll do the other one just to cover the final one. And last one. So 47 large, 9 turn gives us still 15. Let's say that some of this is in the noise, but who knows. We're still at 68, 67. So this one I'll do a little bit more thermal analysis on it. Let it run, and you know, at some point that thing should trigger. I don't know when that is, but I know it's going to have to be before this guy gets too hot. I'm still touching him, so, and you just saw me cranking on it for a bit, so. That fuse is going to have to protect that cap. That cap normally wants ventilation. We're not giving it any, so that can save it. Yeah, let's size that puppy. Doesn't have to be early out. I don't. People abuse their heaters will abuse their heaters, and when it comes back, it'll come back with a much lower temperature fuse, correct? Alright, what's the FET's doing in this situation? That's the other one I'm really concerned about. Make it work its ass off. fair bit. We'll get an 18 or 19 cap in here in a second too. Okay, FETs are spiking right now, and they're going to get too hot, right about there. Oh yeah. If you picked up the seconds on that, you know where we're at. So grab the other one. This is my 19 tip with the CVAP older style cap. So still not the worst, but it's going to be a hot one. I want to know where we're at now, just a spike. So I'm liking it. It didn't spike at all. We're maintaining. The caps have gone away. Ha! I like this, Jeff. This is great. I just saw 2 watts more on a cap than I know to be the hotter caps. This one has serial numbers on the outside if they're, I don't see that. They have serial numbers on the outside if they're older. 2020s have it on the inside. So, hey, that's an interesting finding. Jeff, I'm ready to put together one of these for you to try. Okay, I tend to be premature in my evaluations too. So, talk to you in a minute.